there, what's going on? How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel Simran's Innovation. Today we are going to unbox and review Dom's brush pens.
We are going to experiment with two kinds of paper. Number 1, Bruce Throws 300 GSM watercolor paper, and number 2 is normal drawing sheet. This is how the old pack looks like. And this one is the new brush pen set. More or less both are similar apart from the canson paper and the metallic brush pens. Dom's brush pens make me remember about Kareem markers that I had purchased, and I have also made a review video on Kareem markers. You can check my other videos. Let's swatch these colors. Camlin and Adgel are the two leading Indian brands, but it seems like they may have to compete with Dom's, as it was said in the packaging that they have super durable tip, and they are right because the tip is really super durable and flexible as well. The colors are so vibrant. Also, the brush pens are water soluble in nature. That means it can be used for calligraphy, illustrations, painting, especially while making watercolor backgrounds. I am using a normal drawing sheet side by side while using Bruce Throws 300 GSM watercolor paper. On using drawing sheets which are thin in nature, our works gets imprinted on the other side of the paper, so it is always recommended to use papers higher than 200 GSM. See, the packaging and the plastic plate is so cool. Even the body of the brush pens are so beautiful. The metallic shades are awesome. This will look better if we use a black sheet. Now we are going to experiment with new Dom's brush pen set. The packaging is really cool. We can see the colors even from outside. This comes with canson paper. Instead of two metallic brush pen sets, they have given two extra colors as well as canson paper, and canson papers are well-renowned paper, so I don't have much more to say about it. Basically, canson paper, Bruce Throws, these are some of the brands used by artists. There are many other brands apart from it. We are swatching the new colors. I prefer this method of swatching the colors instead of doing it in an old traditional way. Let's get into the basic strokes of brush lettering. Thick downstroke, thin upstrokes, underturn, overturn, compound curve, oval, descending loop, ascending loop, entrance stroke, exit stroke, comma. Yay, now let's get an answer to the most commonly asked question, that whether these brush pens can be blended or not. Yes, obviously they are water soluble in nature and they can be blended, but I will recommend you that always make a color chart when you purchase a new brush pen. You have seen in my previous video that I had made a color chart. On making a chart, we get a brief idea on how the colors will look on blending with other colors. Adgel and Camlin are the two other brands, but they do not provide metallic brush pens. If you are willing to purchase domes, I would definitely suggest you that yes, you can go with it, because domes brush pens costs only rupees 200, and in the new set we will also get Canson papers. They are not providing metallic brush pens anymore, but Canson papers are also worth having it, so I would always recommend you to go with domes. On the other hand, if you are a beginner, it might be difficult for you to control domes brush pens, but if you are well aware of the basic strokes and basic lettering, then you can obviously go with domes brush pens.